Hi friends, you've been with me on this journey through wigs, hair care, and makeup. I want to thank you. You've supported me, encouraged me, and made this community so special. Today I want to share something personal with you, why I'm moving beyond tutorials into something deeper. You see, for years I thought beauty meant getting the look just right. The perfect style, the perfect makeup, the perfect hair. But as I've grown older, I've realized that while outer beauty can fade, there's another kind of beauty that only grows stronger with time. And that's what I call unfading beauty. The kind of beauty rooted in confidence, character, and faith. I don't want you to get the idea that I think that I am an unfading beauty in terms of being beautiful. As a matter of fact, the opposite is quite true. I grew up with a terrible sense of self-esteem, and that's a topic for another video. But in the beginning of my YouTube journey, I titled my channel, I believe it was One with Gray Hair. And in those days, I used to talk all about silver gray white hair. I did a lot of wig reviews. I did some makeup tutorials, things like that. All topics that have to do with the outward beauty of a woman. And as I said in another video earlier this year, due to some health challenges and having a heart attack earlier this year, I felt that God was redirecting my path, let's just say. But unfading beauty is not talking about Angela. Unfading beauty is talking about the inner person of the heart. Every woman wants to be beautiful. Everyone. And every woman can absolutely be beautiful. I remember a day that my husband came home. He's an eye doctor, and he had a patient in his chair, and I think he said she might have been in her 80s, her mid-80s, maybe 90. He said she was heavily wrinkled. She was not a beautiful woman on the outside. She was no one that you would look at and say, oh my, isn't she stunning? But he said, Angela, she was one of the most beautiful women I have ever encountered. And I never forgot that. And I remember thinking to myself, can I be like that? Can I be like that when I'm older? Or will I absolutely just dissolve and be invisible? We're going to talk about that on Unfading Beauty today and going forward until the Lord calls me home. Don't worry, I'm still me. I'll still be talking about aging gracefully, confidence, and what it means to feel beautiful as women. But I won't be doing as many product tutorials or wig reviews anymore. Instead, I'll be sharing real stories, encouragement, and lessons I've learned about beauty that never fades. If you've loved this channel for the beauty content, I hope you'll stay, because true beauty goes far deeper than the surface, and I hope that you'll join me in exploring it. I'd love to hear from you. What does true beauty mean to you beyond appearance? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading every one. In my next videos, I'll be talking about confidence after 50, how Proverbs 31 redirected beauty for me, and what it means to live with an unfading spirit. Thank you for walking with me through this transition. My prayer is that every video leaves you encouraged, uplifted, and reminding you that true beauty never fades. This is Unfading Beauty, and the best is yet to come.
Everyone needs somebody.